Hello everybody. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Friday, March the 6th, 2020. We have two lovely Sudokus, a light Sudoku and a heavy Sudoku. We will start with the light Sudoku, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 fives. So let's start with the 5. I see here a 5 in this row, a 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 5 is here. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 5 is here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 5 is here. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for a 5 is here, here, or there. I see here 5, so no 5 there. I see here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then a 6 in this column, a 6 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for a 6 is here or there. But I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So in the second column, the only 2 places for a 6 is here and there. But I see here 6, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. I cannot continue with the 6 anymore, so let's go to the 7s. I see here in the first column a 7 in this first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for a 7 is here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for a 7 is here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then, let's see, for the number 4. Can we do something with the 4? Yes, 4 in this first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4, I see. Here, there. So let's go to the number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 3 must be here. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 3 must be here. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So in the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. In this big square, 2 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. I see here a 3, so no 3 there. Only place for the 3 must be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 is here and there. But I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes. Alright. Then can we do this with the number 2? Yes, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 numbers boxes. 1 box remains for the 2 should be this one. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 is here and there. But I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 2. Let me see. With the 1. Yes, a 1 in this row. 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column. 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 is here. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, in the middle column. So in this column, the only place for the 1 is here. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Then let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 8 and 9. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 4 and 9, we have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. In this last column, 1 number left for the number 9. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 9 there, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 4 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have an 8 here, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. We have an 8 here, so no 8 here. 8 should be there, and the 2 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finished in exactly 10 minutes. Alright people, if you like this Sudoku Light, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Subscribe if you like or if you want. Otherwise, I will see you later with the Sudoku Heavy. So thank you for now and bye bye.